I'ma slap him around a little while. Trail ball, he talking about if the skip come out, he was gonna cut my radio off.
Roger, right on, Candyman. Beaumont, Texas. Take care. May God bless you, and may God always keep you. Candyman, Beaumont, Texas. Candyman, the CEO of the Sneaky P Nation. Back wide.
May God bless you, and may God keep you. May God bless you, but not bless you. Bless your whole family, so that you can be a blessing to someone else.
Hotel Roger, right on. Well, you know, I know you get ready to go in the kitchen, man, and I want to know what you're cooking in the kitchen. But God bless you, and may God always keep you. The 365 man in Texas. Bye.
Good morning to you, 369. Yeah, you come up in my radio. I heard you talking to them boys over there in Beaumont. But them boys over there in Beaumont, they can make the trip, but they can't hold it. Sure can't. I mean, it's a $5 radio, 369. Click.
410, the man on the $5 radio. The 365th man in Texas on a $5 radio. Much love to you and your family. The man on the $5 radio. The CEO of the Sneaky P Nation. Back wide.
The CEO of the Sneaky Pete Nation. Good God. Oh, James Brown. Good God. 69.
Hey, OTT, Tommy. Okay, y'all take care, man. Y'all take care. Boy, I got this cat making driver laid down, man. Take care, Hello, Big Bill. I did hear you, and I want to say hello around Lake Charles. The CEO of the Sneaky P Nation. I am the pimp I got down.
Little Bill, which one is it? Is it Little Bill or is it Billy? Now, there's a difference between Little Bill and Billy. Billy being the old man, and Little Bill, he's a little goat. $5 radio, 69. I'll see you. Click.
Hey, $5 radio, boy, you're a bad cat nigga. Hey, $5 radio, I was talking to Cat Nigga Bill over in Lake Charles. I was waving at him, man. Hey, $5 radio. Boy, you sound some kind of good. I'm sitting up here with this expensive radio, and you got a $5 radio. You sound gooder than me, man. You're Rogers on that, 69. You're Rogers on that, man. It is what it is, 69, no doubt about it, man. But 69, tell Bill to go over there to Louisiana and pick up his driver and come back and try it again on Friday. Tell old Bill to go over there to Louisiana and pick up that driver and come back and try it again on Friday. 69, click. I can't hear nobody but you, though. I don't even know whether the man can or not. I can't tell a man to go get his driver from Louisiana when I can't hear nobody but you. Hey, $5 radio, man. Hey, Bill, where them ghost rider? Well, he still can because I can hear him. He still can, 69, I can hear him, can. What he need to do is go over there to Louisiana and pick up that old driver and come back and try it again on Friday. Pass that 10-5, 6-9, click. Well, you want the man to go to Louisiana, pick up his driver, and try it again on Friday. That's what you said. 365th man in Texas. You know, you done moved down, Catmere. You used to be the 367th man. Now that $5 radio has made you the 365th man. I'm back quiet. 365th man in Texas. Now, you know, 6-9, between here, Austin and Boston, Poconos Mountain, there's a lot of radios out there. but this is the only one that's got a $5 radio behind it. 6ix9ine, me and this $5 radio, I'm going to the kitchen. Click, click.
I'm gonna tell you something. You got that $5 radio out there in the middle of the street, and there's a lot of radios from Texas to Maine, but ain't nobody got a $5 radio like your radio. OTT, bye bye bye.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Hey, 6ix9ine, that's the bottom line too. That's the bottom line. That line if you put your signature on, that's the one counts. 6ix9ine, I'm going to the kitchen. Click, click.
Let me tell you something. Look at this CEP driver. Heel, boy. Heel, boy. Heel. You know, I'm going to have to talk to the president.
It got rough. 6ix9ine has got rough. Take care, 6ix9ine. Maybe condition is moving. 6ix9ine, click, click.
Bill, me and this Ghost Rider got down. That's my Roger, that's the real deal. I saw you loading up. I saw you going back real slow. Maybe you reach your phone. Last don't you heard nobody. So 5 9 and 2. Very full of help. The big boss man on the west side, break. Why'd you pull? Coming out of Keystone. For a while, I'm just doing what I can with what I got, and I ain't come to stay, I came to play. Last few times you do, you gonna say, we need a flavor. All the real about it, guys, I see you. Devil just tell us smoking ain't good for him, I see you. Hey, what you feel like on?
Big Bird. Big Bird, I gotta lay it down. Big Bird, I'm laying it down. Big Bird, click, click.
21, 20. Northeast Coast, yeah, come on. Try it, I'm gonna do it again. Let's go.
Boy, let me get out of here, man. I lost my condition. I lost my condition with Big Bird and 6ix9ine. I'm gonna ease on out of here. Me and this $5 radio in Texas going to the kitchen.
I ain't gonna make you wait, Bill. Hey, Bill, I respect my other step with Tony Montana. I want to rise up in there and see if I can check 144 and share. Tony Montana, New Jersey, get down. Super Bowl, Superman from the Super Bowl, Razzmatazz, Big Bird, Philadelphia. I'll see you, Tulu, Razzmatazz, I'm through.
Don't get it twisted. Cotton Bowl. Don't you get it twisted. Big Bird, don't you get it twisted. There's a difference between the Cotton Bowl and the Super Bowl. There's different players. One is professional, a professional team, and the other one is a college team. And that other one, $5 radio.
The midget did it. I thought you was gone, man. I can't even talk on the damn railroad track, and you beating me so damn bad. Now, I thought you, boy, when you said you was gone, I was happy, man. Hey, Razzmatazz, Tony Montana, New Jersey. Razzmatazz, Tony Montana, New Jersey, baby. Now, DT, you definitely out of control.
Yeah, take care. Take care, Big Bird. Big Bird, take care, man. But Big Bird, there's no apology in order for that. None whatsoever. Big Bird, there's no apology in order for that. Big Bird, I'm going to the kitchen. Click, click.
Tony Montana just checking in. Welcome to the day on Tony Montana, New Jersey. Tony, Mr. Montana, New Jersey is getting down.
So tell that Big Bird, you know I heard you, I did, no doubt about it, man. And Big Bird, you told the world, you sure did. All right, my good friend, take care of Big Bird in Philadelphia. Hey, Big Bird, man, tell the Good Time Gang, man, you know what I'm talking about. Tell them we all said hello, man. Take care, my good friend in Philadelphia. Big Bird, $5 radio, I'm going to the kitchen, I'll see you.
Real good time. Take care, God bless. Hey, Low Rider. Hey, Low Rider, leave him alone. Hey, Low Rider, 144 said leave him on the mall. Hey, Low Rider, Bayou Country, your homie at 144 to Big Apple, right back, right?
K74 in the Keystone Wave with your $5 radio, OTT. 74 downtown Philly, back out.
Oh, I appreciate you waving at my old $5 radio up there on the Keystone, my good friend. I sure do. Take care. My real good friend in Keystone. Me and his $5 radio in Texas pulling out.
And that's my radio, OTT.
$5 radio, man, working in Philadelphia, man. $5 radio working at Big County Radio.
Mr. OTT in your $5 radio. Your boy,
Real good time. You got it going on. Hey, Low Rider. You know, you
Click. 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 Click.
Bye, Low Rider. Hey, Low Rider, 144, Big Apple.
Hey, Big Bird. Hey, 144. I'll check that old boy Reflect over there. I checked that old boy Reflect over there in Louisiana, and they were high. $5 radio in Texas pulling out. Yeah, take care. Big Bird, take care. And Big Bird is supposed to be like that, Big Bird. Big Bird, you know what those initials stand for. You know exactly what those initials stand for, Big Bird. I'm checking them boys Reflect. Big Bird, click, click.
if you don't know, I'm going to remind you.
I'm getting down.
Tony, what if I need you? Tony, what if the $5 radio needs you? Tony, what can I do? Will you want me to call Big Bird? Tony, what if I need you? You want me to call Big Bird instead of you? $5 radio in Texas pulling out.
Making so much. You might as well call me. I'm gonna get his video. You might as well call me. PT, I'm over the top. I'm definitely in control on that end. Tell old Tony Montana I said get out the middle on that end. Don't start none. It won't be none. Hey, PT, I'm over the top. And I'm definitely out of control.
You over the top. You definitely out of control. Big Bird. Take care. You got me on the floor, Big Bird. Take care, Big Bird. Big Bird, click, click.
You want to pick up? Where are you? I'm going to let old Tony Montana talk when I get me in there. You might got something you want to say on that. I'm going back down, TT. Hey, TT, get out the middle. Tell old Tony Montana I said get out the middle to him. And it's real fun around here. No doubt about it. It's fun with a rabbit like the gun. Catch you later. I'll see you.
Well, Big Bird, he can't hear me. Big Bird, he can't hear this $5 radio. Big Bird, there's no need me telling Tony anything. He can't hear this $5 radio, man. But that's okay. We'll take care of Big Bird. I'm going to the kitchen. Click, click.
Myself, bye. 6'9", I did some hitchhiking. 8'6", 9", I did some hitchhiking. That was Tony Montana. Hey, Low Rider, that was Tony Montana. Said now you hear him, now you don't. Hey, Low Rider, you tell 144. Tony Montana said now you hear him, now you don't. Hey, Low Rider, I'm on key. Now you hear him, now you don't. Low Rider, Tony, bye-bye. You know, Joe Louis is an old boxer, man. He get knocked. You know, when you get old as Joe Louis, you can't be still out here thinking you can fight. You can't feel it now, you know. You can't be out here thinking you can still fight because you don't have the punch you used to have. Philadelphia standing.
Hey, you know, he kind of punch drunk. He don't know if he in the ring or out of the ring. You know, he's sort of punch drunk. You know, he can't remember if he in or out. But I just checked his reflex. Big Bird, click.
Thank you, Tony Montana. Now you ain't in your business, mate. Hey, homeboy, that man in the field, he checked your reflex. Your reflex ain't good, man. They'll take it out what you got. Hey, low rider, look at how I do it. Bye-bye.
And he need to drop it and run. Big Bird, he need to drop it and run. Big Bird, click.
What's going on, Raz? Hey, Raz Matthias, what's going on, my man? Hey, God bless Low Rider, Tony said bye. Hey, Low Rider, Tony said bye. Matthias, it's a rough order thing with this steel got down. Yeah.
And Big Bird, hey Big Bird, if you need me, you know where I'll be. Big Bird, if you need me, you know where I'll be. Take care, Big Bird, click.
Hey, $5 radio, you plug in my ears, talking to Big Bird. Hey, $5 radio, you plug in Tony's ears, talking to Big Bird. $5 radio, Tony said bye-bye. Hey, Raz Matthias.
Hey, Tony. It bees that away. Tony, click.
Hey, $5 radio, while I'm sitting in my radio room, I want to see if he's really that bad. Hey, $5 radio, is he really that bad, that baby?
I can't tell you. Hey, Red Dragon, I appreciate it. Oh, Red Dragon just sent me a text. Take care of Tony. Click.
Tony said he might not be able to tell you. Tony Montana said your homeboy might not be able to tell you. Tony Montana's your new homeboy, and I'm getting down. Hey, 069. Let me clean your radio up right there. Hey, 069, let me clean your radio up. Hey, 069, let me clean that radio up. Hey, 069, 144 in the Big Apple, right?
Hey.